Guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today's video is an innovative video, and it's gonna help you with your queuing because I've been making English videos and Urdu videos in bilingual languages on my channel. So now we are working on a new gadget which I've introduced that is called Queuing Expert, and there will be around 10 videos on this subject, and you will know the benefits of it because this gadget is going to help you with your straight queuing, with the straight potting, long potting, steadiness, your stance, your aiming, your weight balance, everything. That's why it is called Technique Expert. I'm going to show you the practical execution of this tool. Before that, I would like you to subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram and Facebook. So let's start with our today's video. So what are the main issues with the player's queuing is that when he's into the shot, he can see all the videos, he can learn how to stand, he can go into the shot correctly, he can correct his alignment. But what happens when he play his shot, he thinks he's all right, but once he finish it wrong, what happens is he's either off on this side or other side. So he's never sure that whether he's queuing straight in the center or not of the white ball, or he's connecting himself with the line of aim correctly or not. So here comes this tool. Let me show you how it works. You must be excited about it, but in this video I'm just going to show you the correct method of queuing through Technique Expert, but there will be 10 more videos on the different benefits of this Technique Expert, one after one, and you will enjoy it and you will understand the benefit of this one. And this is a revolutionizing method of self-correction. If you cannot afford a coach, if you cannot travel to a coach, if you do not have a proper guidance, even in your country you do not have good coaches, with this gadget you can correct yourself because this is gonna guide you at every step. This has two levels. One is intermediate and the other one is the advanced level. So once you are confident on basic level, and then you can move to an advanced level. So it is recommended even for the player who are making centuries and they're not confident on the queuing, they can still use this one to rectify and correct their small minorities because it's gonna give them a perfect feedback of their own delivery or faults. So what you have to do is it's very simple. So what you can do is this is predetermined line of aim on this tool. And what you can do is you just place it on the blue spot straight. If you're not sure how to align it, what you can do is you can place your cue on it because it will hold your cue, and you can adjust your cue tip in the pocket. All this, once it's done, your job's done. What you can do now is you can pick up your cue and keep couple of balls, or you can ask your friend to help you out. So first of all you have to do is to place your cue on this predetermined line of aim and just go into the stance and then slide your bridge in and see if you are straight on your queuing or not. If you are off, you will see that something is pulling in your shot once you insert the bridge, and then you can adjust it. It can either be your weight balance, or it either can be your aiming, or maybe your grip. So what you have to do, this will help you to rectify these problems. So again, just do it slowly, and then start doing your queuing on this one, and keep doing it and finish it. Keep doing it and finish it. Almost there is a marker on it for 3, 4, 5 inches that will also show you or guide you that how much follow through you need or how much follow through you are doing now. So you can always correct it. So that's it. Once you are confident with your queuing, if you are not finishing off when you are hitting and you see now you are hitting in the center, then what you can do is just place any white ball and then again do the same process. Place your cue and then insert your bridge, slide your bridge under the cue, and then you do queuing there and hit your shot and see if it's off. If you feel it that once you hit the ball and the queuing was slightly off this side or that side, you'll have to correct it. That means either you have delivered it wrong or probably your aiming is wrong. So you have to recorrect your stance, and it is going to self-guide you. So once you are, again, let's do it one more time, and then we'll do it a bit different. That's it. So this will guide you that you are hitting it in the center or not. Try different speeds, and once you are done, then we are going to move it to a bit difficult. Once you are confident level on the blue spot, let's make your life a bit more difficult with the slightly difficult practice. Place your predetermined line of aim on the green spot, and then place again your cue to correct your aiming, that whether is it pointing towards the pocket correctly or not. So now you can see, so Q-tip will guide you. So you will do the same practice from this spot, and this is an incredible help for you to understand. Look, when I was down, I was off, so I could understand that I'm slightly too much on my right side, so I'll have to redo it again because I'm correcting my way to get into the shot properly. So that's the correct one. Now I can see, I can feel. So this is going to give you an instant feedback, and if you are off, it will guide you straight away. It will look, even my tip is finishing slightly towards left, so it means my finishing is slightly off. So I'm gonna do another shot. I'm gonna try to play more steadily this time. Okay, so let's do it. That's it. That's it. So you can use different speeds. Now you can see it is exactly, my tip is landing exactly on that line of aim, predetermined line of aim. So it will not let you play wrong shot. You'll have to play right, then it will be on one line, and you will be developing your muscle memory with it. Let's move it to slightly tougher level. So another interesting thing that is to come is going to be the laser. So we'll see how it's gonna work, and in later videos, not in this one. So you will know that how much work or research I have put in to complete this tool. Let's correct it again. Let's align it exactly in the center. So once set, again place a white ball on the white spot, and then place your cue on the predetermined line of aim, and then go in the shot, slide your bridge in, and that's it. Okay, now we are going to play this shot a bit more with more pace, so we can improve our finish and hitting. So we are actually correcting our delivery and finish, and it will also involve post shot routine. So pre-shot and post-shot both are very important to play correctly on this gadget, and it will guide you where are you going wrong. So it is a self-doctor kind of thing. It will help you. It's your own coach, because it covers everything. As I said earlier, it is called technique expert. So let's move to a bit more difficult level, and again, it's on the yellow spot. Place your cue exactly. This will guide you, your tip, that you are in the center of the pocket, and then again place any white ball. Again, cover yourself, correct yourself, and then you can start hitting. And you can see that it is restricting me to control my delivery, and it is not letting me play verse shot, even if I am playing power shot or a fast shot. Again, this time I'm going to play with pace and see if we can pot it and keep our cue steady. So now you can see that how good I've played this shot, even with the pace, even from the difficult angle. Let's raise our bar or difficulty bar a bit more up, and we are going to take it to the next level. That is this. And okay, this will now you can imagine, even if you play a shot without this potting from this side, just the white ball for basic player is a bit difficult. So we want him to get the confidence for playing shots from any part, but keeping his cueing steady. So this will help you correct your cueing. So let's place your white ball again. So now, since we have placed our white ball, our cueing expert on different line, what we are going to do is we are going to try to play same shot from this point. If you're not confident, again place your cue on that line of aim, and then slide your bridge, do your cueing, and play a medium pace shot and see if you can pot this ball or not. So once you are confident, then you can play same shot with a bit of a tough pace, with a slightly more pace, and see if you can pot same ball, because this will guide you that you are, if you hit in the center, it will automatically confirm you that you are finishing your cue within that line of aim. So you can imagine that how difficult it is to play a shot from this side. Without this, you can see many players can miss their shot even with potting this ball. But with this help, they can pot it. And once they keep potting it, this will develop their muscle memory. They'll have to do it like 400 times, 500 times from different spots. Even for the middle pocket, they'll have to do it, set it up in the middle pocket and start potting it. This is video 1, but then there are more videos coming very soon, and that will guide you for potting, how we are going to improve potting with this, and how this will help us to improve our stance, technique. I think you have learned a lot today, that these are the minor mistakes that are actually keeping players on one standard, and they're not moving on to the next level. So technique expert, I think, is the answer for you, for your steadiness, for your cueing, for your stance, for your weight balance, for your aiming, for your potting, for your long potting, and even for angle recognition. You must be surprised at how this is going to help us in angle potting or angle recognition. That video is yet to come. This might be in the few later videos, but you will love this gadget. Very simple, very effective, very professional for every level player. If you are making centuries, trust me, this will remove all your little errors which you are having or you are facing. You can have, once you are confident on this one, move to the tougher level. This is the advanced level, and this will now is more challenging for you. The moment you hit wrong, your white ball deviate, your white ball goes there and this side. So I hope you like this video. Please share it, and if you like to buy it, please contact me through WhatsApp. We are delivering it not only just in Pakistan but all over the world. So good luck with your game, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions, comments, all are appreciated.